Getting involved in the community, it's responsibility for each and every one.
Sally from North Point Beach here in Chesapeake. Hey, brother, how you doing? What you gonna do today? We're gonna win. And we're gonna win. So I never been here before. Have you participated before this event? Right. So we're gonna chill together. We're gonna give you all chill up. All right. Wonderful, my friend, my mother from another mother. She's running for the office. Hello, Mama. Why are you here today?
I'm here because it's fun. It's a community event. I love this county, and this is a great way to raise money to end hunger in Calvert County.
It's very interesting for me being here in Chesapeake Bay to see one of the top experienced leader. She's here to support this great opportunity, giving back to the community. Have you been here before? This is the first time?
This is my first time.
How is it?
It's very good. It's a lot of fun. It's a huge community spirit here, and Calvert County takes care of its own, and this is a good example of us working together.
And I took her t-shirt, she took the t-shirt back, and I got another t-shirt. Now we're friends.
Because we wanted this guy on our team.
And we're going to help her, we're going to support her. It doesn't matter if you're from Ethiopia, you're from Tanzania, no matter where you were, we need your vote. We need to make sure we support our mother. She's the leader. She's here for you. She's here for you. She's here for you. Let's do it, baby. Thank you.
Vote for Sue Cullen. Thank you.
Vote for Sue Cullen.